You look like you're on a broomsticky, boy, eh? You look like you're on a broomstick.
The witch is on.
Oh, it makes me feel very good.
You look like room on the broom.
Oh, that's it.
Daddy, hold it down. I want to get someone. Fish feather. Fish like it's tough.
Come on, everybody.
Up.
No, that's not good because it's not going to work.
No, because Dad can go now.
I know. Don't get off. Oh, hang on. You want to get off? Florrie wants to get off.
Oliver and I get it on together.
Hang on. Florrie's getting off.
Oh, Florrie's getting off. Be careful. No, Florrie.
Are you ready?
No, I'm just going to stay up.
I know, you are.
It's not really going to work.
No. Okay, I'm going to get off now.
Boy, I know